The drone wars have officially started. This is a chilling night vision video of Ukrainian drones dropping very accurate bombs on Russian soldiers sleeping in a forest. Footage captured by the drone, in service with Ukraine's 47th Motorized Infantry Battalion, shows 4 soldiers escaping into the woods, apparently after hearing the drone approaching. The drone then drops 2 bombs on their comrades who stayed behind, killing at least 3 of them, according to Ukraine's military. It is not clear exactly where or when the footage was taken, but it comes amid bitter fighting in the Donbas region, with Ukraine clinging on in one key city while launching counterattacks further to the north. Kyiv said Monday that its forces had been pushed back from the center of Severodonetsk, where the heaviest fighting is currently taking place. President Zelensky said his men are fighting for literally every meter as control of the city regularly swaps between Ukraine and Russia, causing huge damage. Regional Governor Serhiy Haidai said Monday that Russian forces were gathering more and more equipment to encircle Severodonetsk and that they had pushed our troops from the center and continue to destroy our city. The Azot chemical plant, where hundreds of civilians have reportedly taken refuge, was still being shelled, he said. In Lysychansk, Severodonetsk's sister city located just across the Donets River, 3 civilians were killed by shelling, including a 6-year-old boy, Haidai said. But, further to the north, there was evidence of Ukraine launching a counterattack against Russian troops near Izyum, previously the main thrust of the Donbas offensive, before a push southwards towards Slavyansk stalled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.